Hello, welcome to the course on basics of aeronautical engineering. I'm Dr. Ilangovan and I'm a professor in the Department of Aerospace Engineering. These videos are intended for my students of third year and for an open elective. Let's start. Now, this is the course code 19AS 0 0301. The course name is Basics of Aeronautical Engineering. We have in the first unit, we have the history of flight. History of flight, as we already know, or which we will not be elaborating on this particular slides, is that the credits must be given to Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright. They are the early um, people who discovered the aircraft and the balloons which followed. We also have the ornithopter, which looks like a bird, and then early planes by the Wright brothers. What is the difference between a biplane and a monoplane? The developments in aerodynamics, materials, structures, and the propulsion over the years. Okay, so this is the first unit. Let's get started. The four forces which come on a flight is a thrust which moves forward, the drag which is stops the or retards the vehicle from moving, and we have the weight of the plane, and the lift is created by uh, the pressure difference between the top and the bottom of the aircraft. Let's go deeper. The four forces act on the aeroplane and also the flight also and work against each other. All these are opposing forces with each other. You have the weight um, uh, acting against the lift, or the lift acting against the weight. You have the thrust and the drag, which are again act opposite to each other. What is weight? Weight is the force caused by the gravitational attraction of the Earth, and so if a object has to fly, it has to have a lift higher than the weight. The Earth's gravity pulls down the object and gives them a weight, and the weight counteracts the lift, um, and this is going to be different and different planets, because the gravity is different in different planets. So just keeping it aside, uh, weight is dependent on the Earth's pull. What does it create? Does it create to create lift? Air and motion. Okay, so Newton's laws of motion and the Daniel Bernoulli's principles are used to explain the lift. We have the photographs of the two mathematicians. Newton's law, the second law says, like, force causes a change in velocity, which in turn generates another force. And third law, the net flow of air is turned down, resulting in an equal and opposite upward force. So if there's the air which is being pushed down, then there is going to be an equal and opposite force of force which is going to lift the whole thing up. The lift of an aircraft is like this. Have the direction of the flight is here. The high velocity of air attacks the aerofoil or the wing, and then the high velocity air flows over this, and the low velocity air flows under. Because of the high velocity, it creates a low pressure. There's a low pressure on the top of the wing and the high pressure at the bottom of the wing. And this causes the lift due to the pressure difference. Again, to explain it uh, here, uh, we have the faster the air of the wind again. This aerofoil or the wing can be tilted to change the angle of attack, which is called the angle of attack. Then faster the air, lesser the pressure, and the wing goes up. Air hits at the bottom of the wing and bounces down, the wings goes up here. Now, more the pressure up, and then you have the on the top you have the lesser pressure, and the whole thing can lift it up. Now, this is what we're going to see in this first introductory video. We saw the four forces, and then we saw what is an aerofoil and what makes the lift happen in the aeroplane aircraft's wings. Okay, the aircraft wings is nothing but an aerofoil cross section, and multiple different cross sections are there, which we'll look at it in a next slide. Um, Thank you very much for listening. We'll meet again on the next video. Thank you.